In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy an image and paste it into a component. This is a quick, reliable workflow you can use in most design, document, or presentation tools. And by the end, you'll know exactly how to move an image from one place to another without breaking your layout. First, click on the image you want to move or duplicate. Make sure the image is actually selected, not just the area around it. You'll usually see a bounding box, resize handles, or a highlight to confirm selection. If clicking once doesn't select the image, click again directly on the picture itself to avoid grabbing a background or a frame. The goal is to see that clear visual cue that the image is active. Next, press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. That copies the selected image to your clipboard. On macOS, the equivalent is Command+C. After you copy, nothing will visibly change on the canvas, and that's normal. The copy sits in your clipboard ready to be pasted. Just remember that the clipboard holds only the most recent thing you copied, so avoid copying something else before you paste. Now click on the component where you want the image to go. Think of the component as the container or target area. When it's selected, you'll often see its outline or label, showing that your paste action will land inside it. If your tool supports nested components or groups, you may need to click directly inside the component so it becomes the active destination and not a surrounding layer. Finally, press Ctrl+V to paste. On macOS, press Command+V. The image should appear within the component you targeted. If it shows up outside the component or in an unexpected spot, undo, make sure the component is active, and paste again. Many tools paste centered or at the last cursor position, so don't worry if it doesn't land perfectly. The important part is that it's now inside the correct container. That's the whole process. Click on the image, press Ctrl+C, click on the component, and press Ctrl+V. If you run into trouble, confirm that keyboard shortcuts are enabled and try using the edit menu for copy and paste. In browser-based tools, granting clipboard permissions can also help. With these simple actions, you can quickly reuse assets, maintain consistency, and speed up your workflow. Thanks for watching.